Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a color and locating its hex code. Open your design tool or browser inspector and grab the value that begins with hash. Once you have hash RRGGBB, read it as 3 pairs: red, green, blue. Convert hex pair to decimal when needed. For example, FF equals 255. Make sure to note shorthand forms like hash F0A expand to hash FF00AA. Now that you've captured a code, prepare to edit and apply it consistently across your project. Once done capturing a hex, edit individual pairs to fine-tune hue, saturation, and brightness. Change the first pair for red, second for green, third for blue. Use quick math or a color picker to move values up or down, for example, lower green from 80 to 60 hex. Make sure to test contrast, aim for at least 4. 5. 1 for body text versus background. Also preview on light and dark backgrounds, and in simulated colorblind modes, so your choice works everywhere. You now apply the hex in production. Paste hash RRGGBB into CSS, design tokens, or asset metadata and export swatches as PNG or SVG with embedded colors. When you need transparency, convert to RGBA or use an 8-digit hex like hash RRGGBBA. If rendered colors look off, clear caches and verify sRGB color profile in files. Mismatched profiles cause shifts. 1 troubleshooting tip. If colors still differ, compare hex values in a plain text editor to confirm no conversion or post-processing altered them.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.